Countryfile was back on Sunday night and saw Tom Heap speaking with a number of experts and pig farmers about how the pork industry in the UK is declining. Farmers are struggling to sustain their businesses due to the rise in energy prices and the cost of pig feed. However, the segment left viewers divided, with many questioning why Brexit wasn't mentioned at all. Tom began the segment by explaining, Britain's pig farms are in crisis. Rising costs and worker shortages have meant our farmers have lost £600 million in the last 2 years. Pork prices have increased but nowhere near as fast as the rocketing cost of feed and energy. The situation is so bad farmers are losing around £52 per pig. One pig farmer, who had bred pigs for over 30 years, admitted things had got so bad he was sending the rest of his pigs to be slaughtered. Tom continued, back in May, 80% of National Pig Association members warned there'll be bust within a year as the cost of living crisis has piled more pressure on an industry that was already struggling. Chris Bogdan has been a pig farmer for 35 years. But now can't afford to go on. Discussing the harsh reality of the industry, Chris said, "We're winding down and getting out of pig production. Everything's going for slaughter. It was either them or me. I just had to get out and still have a roof over my head. If I carried on, there was a risk of losing everything." Taking to social media, to air their thoughts about the segment, Cass Blackman Bent, #Countryfile talks to #British #pig farmers and their variety of troubles. No one says the B word. Anne O'Leary tweeted, #Countryfile, not a mention regarding #Brexit shambles during an item on Countryfile pig farmers. While Jeffrey Woodall simply asked during the segment, or Brexit? #Countryfile. Erica Johnson added, quite something that #Countryfile got through the crisis in pig farming without mentioning #Brexit. The shortage of abattoir vets, higher cost of imported feed. The #BBC has been well and truly cowed by the government. Charles raged, "I understand the pressure at Tom Heap Media is under from his cowed and cowardly #BBC superiors, but to get through a whole #Countryfile item about pig farm failures without once mentioning #Brexit benefits is an #epic fail." Sick, while Lester said, #Countryfile, the pig industry getting screwed over by the Conservatives and #Brexit, but the countryside people will still vote for them at the next election. They get what they vote for. Maybe the folk in country areas should vote differently in 2024, if not well. Sick, I remember those pig farmer lasses voting for Brexit, despite most of their trade being with Germany, and their dad shaking his head sadly in disbelief, Anita pointed out. User @Diesel raged, absolutely this, it's Brexit that's destroying pig farming. Shame on the #BBC and #Countryfile. Countryfile returns on Sunday at 5:15 p.m. on BBC One.